Bitcoin is more likely going towards a new all-time high. In today's update, I'm going to explain you why and how, because this is what we have planned. We just have to update and follow this count at the moment. This is just following and playing out absolutely perfectly. This is what, for example, we have planned already 12 days ago, was looking for this nice wedge here to the upside with a wave for a drop to continue up here from around the 1-to-1 extension, so the red level here or the green level basically. From here we've got a very nice bounce, okay, from the 1-to-1 extension, and same was looking for this increase in price next with some fireways up to the upside. As you can see here, we print some fireways up to the upside to form this bigger red A, then we form a B, and then we look for a C for a new all-time high basically. And surprise, surprise, we've got the 5 waves here to the upside. So we've got the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so yeah, from here, this brings us with a bigger A, B, and C to the upside. Exactly what we was looking for here. 5 waves up. Okay, so this is an impulsive. We've got a leading. This is exactly the same. Basically, it's what we can get in a wave 1 or in an A wave, basically. Just gonna move that into, well, that would be nice to get this in the front here. Let's bring that to front here. There you go. So yeah, we can now look for this ABC zigzag to the upside, as simple as that. So yeah, we just have to look for this ABC zigzag here. So B wave, and then we look for a C. It will be nice to make something a little bit bigger here, but again, it depends if we get something bearish off the resistance we have planned today's daily update live stream. Basically, if we get anything bearish, we're going to pull back and so get the bigger B wave. If we don't get anything bearish off this target, we're going to go for a new high, and so we can look for either basically on the lower time frame, we can simply look for a bigger triple wave into the B wave, so a bigger correction really into the B, and then we look for a C finally. Either we look for, if we get nothing bearish off the highs, we look for a continuation for a C wave, step by step. And that's why the order flow is very, 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 very key. Okay, this right here is an order flow. It allows you to make informed decisions basically informed decisions basically, informed trading decisions, as simple as that. So yeah, either the B wave is in, either a little bit longer would be nice, not gonna lie, but well, depends if we get anything bearish off the top here. So yeah, that is the plan. If we push up from here, what target we can look for next? Well, we can pull the extension tool from the bottom here to the top to the B wave bottom. If the B wave bottom is in, first target is going to be the MC extension, then we'll have the 1-to-1 extension, then we'll have the 123, and then we'll have the 161. These are the 4 targets we're having above us for a possible reversal next, because once we've completed the C, the wave 5, well, it is going to complete a wave 5, and so the possible bigger also wave 5. Okay, again, this is one configuration. There are other configurations. Okay, this is not the only one. This is the one I preferred. That's my preferred one at the moment. But there are other configurations that we can be aware of. Okay, such as another one we have planned, for example. That is basically this one just right here. Let me just get rid of that for the moment. There is this one just right here. So instead of getting, a big wedge here to the upside, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is an impulsive here. So wave 1, 2, 3. This was wave 4, and we're into the 5th here, and this is a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to get a wave 5 here like this. So this wave 5 is an impulsive. So instead of getting an ABC zigzag, we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why this wave 3 is, if you bet on this configuration, will be a short to take in any case, because it can also be, in the main configuration, it can be an ABC zigzag top basically. Okay, so either an A, B, C, either a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Problem is with the two configurations, both are valid, so that's why here this will be a short to take in any case. To bet on a possible retrace, we'll just have to take profit basically. If the retrace is not holding, then we take this ABC zigzag in the time. If the retrace is holding, then we look for the wave 5 next. As simple as that, in the time. Okay, and so yeah, basically the smaller wave are 5 waves here. Then you have a correction in the B wave in the wave 2. And then you have another 1, 2, 3, or 5. 1, 2, 3, or 5. That's why it's impossible to say which one is going to play out. The smaller wave are exactly the same, so only time can tell basically. That's all you have to be aware of. Post configuration, again, if trading was easy and everything, it was very simple, everyone will be rich, right? So of course it cannot be that easy. That's why you have to be aware of different configurations. Then we just have to trade the targets based off the reaction and see if there is anything good to take off this target or not. If there is not, we just look for a continuation and that's it basically. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed today's Bitcoin update. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, as always, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Just gonna get rid of this just right there, and add back my main configuration with 2 dates, by the way, 2 flip times we'll have for a possible wave 5 top. Let me just hide it. Yeah, perfect. With some dates, we'll have the 16th of August and the 24 by the way of August. So again, these were some dates planned when we was already at the very low here. I will not wait for these dates for an all-time high and massive crash. I will really look at these dates and expect something of these dates if we really come around the, for example, we have the wave A, B, and we have the others 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. If we have these 5 waves up and we're coming closer to the date, then yes, this is likely going to be well respected. Otherwise, this is not really okay. It's just something to be aware of for now. We have to get the end of the wave basically, and to approach these dates to really get more chance to get something of these dates basically. Okay, so yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, as always, you can smash a like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, write some comments down below. Thank you as always so much if you take the time to do it. On this being said, take care of you and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.